Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Devon, and this is New Touch Auto Dipping. In this clip, we're gonna talk about potential. You see, I don't care what kind of car you got. Every car has its potential. Every vehicle got potential. It just takes a little color, man. This American muscle right here got a lot of potential. Y'all want to see more of that? Stay tuned. Enjoy the video. All right, y'all. We got a beast on our hands. I'm talking about a real beast. We got a green Chevy Camaro back here. Real beast. But we're gonna treat it like Beauty and the Beast. Cause in the end, you see what the difference was. That's what we're gonna do to this vehicle here, man. We got the ZTX Hypershift we're gonna hit it with. We're gonna do the full exterior. We're gonna do the wheels. Watch the pretty look in the end. Y'all stick with me throughout this video and follow the steps. Alright, it's all about to make sense. Beauty and the Beast on the way. We got the beast complete, man. Now we got to do the wheels. We're gonna, unmask everything, get everything touched up, make sure we all good with our prepping, and then we're gonna get it outside. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're gonna do a rundown real quick, let you know exactly how we changed this vehicle up. ZTX Hypershift, all the way around. You see in the middle, we got that Hypershift in the middle of that bow tie, kept the chrome out, worked all the way around. You see the transition. We did the wheels, satin black. And as you know, day vision is different from the night vision with the ZTX Hypershift. All right, if you haven't already done it, please subscribe to this channel. Many videos to check out, and we got more coming. If you like this video, give me a like. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more. See you in the future.